Hello guys! If you are looking for a 4-bedroom house and lot with a bedroom downstairs na perfect for retirement home, this house is the right one for you. Hello guys, good morning. This is Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy, your property specialist in the South here in Nuvali. So guys, no, second quarter na ng 2025, so summer na. Medyo ramdam na natin yung init. Pero eto, may mas mainit pa na update, no? Nagliliyab na update dito sa ating community. Finally, open na po yung ating Solaya Model House, our 4-bedroom house and lot sa ating community dito sa Crescela, Nuvali. Last time po kasi no, na I featured the houses we offer in Crescela, close po itong Solaya Model House natin. Pero eto na, open na siya sa public for viewing. Tara, pasukin na po natin. But before guys, no, we proceed in viewing the Solaya Model House, let's have a quick drive tour po muna para malaman po ninyo kung paano nga ba pumunta dito sa Crescela, Nuvali. And for our viewers din, no, para malaman din po ninyo kung ano na ba ang updates dito sa Nuvali, kung ano na ba yung mga existing establishments natin, and ongoing developments dito sa Nuvali. So tara, let's go! So welcome to my drive tour guys, no, na I will show you na on how to get there sa ating community sa Crescela, Nuvali. This is also perfect sa OFWs natin dyan or sa mga kapwa natin Filipino na malalayo na kung na yung naghahanap na ng retirement property nila dito sa Nuvali. This is also an update, no, sa mga viewers natin dyan kung ano-ano na ba yung updates dito sa Nuvali, ano na ba yung existing establishments, ongoing developments, tsaka yung ano pa ba ang future projects na gagawin dito sa Nuvali. Kumbaga kung bakit napakagandang mag-invest and mag-retire dito sa Nuvali. So, without further ado, let's start na mag-drive and go to our community. So, we will be starting here, no, sa exit of Calax, Laguna Boulevard exit. This is the fastest route if you will be coming from the north. And if you took SLEX, exit lang po tayo ng Mamplasan. After Mamplasan, there's a roundabout. Take lang po natin yung first exit, and that is the entry to Calax. And from Calax, Laguna Boulevard is the first exit. Dito na po yung baba ninyo. And good news guys, no, pwede na po madaanan ang Nuvali flyover. This is the quick access going to Nuvali. Taking the Nuvali flyover, dito na po tayo agad sa front of Nuvali, na makikita natin dito agad yung famous logo of Nuvali and Ayala Land Estate. Well, I would like to share some info lang, no, about Nuvali for our first time viewer there. Nuvali is the largest eco-estate development of Ayala Land in the Philippines. When we say eco-estate, no, this is an estate with commercial business districts and residential developments that prioritizes sustainable living and nature conservation. Diba mapapansin nyo din po mamaya as we drive along the main road, puro trees ang makikita po natin sa both sides and surroundings. Nuvali is approximately 2,500 hectares in size, and sa lawak po nito, no, it is divided into 4 segments. Nuvali North, our main commercial business district, Nuvali Central, Nuvali Heights, and Nuvali South, where our communities are located in NC Crescela, Nuvali. So here in Nuvali North, on our left side, dito located ang one of the activation areas, the famous man-made pond, kung saan pwede po tayo mag-koi fish feeding and boat riding. Seda Hotel, Nuvali Techno Hub, and the ongoing Museum for Architecture and Residences by Calma Properties na magkakaroon ng, of course, museum, exhibits, art galleries, additional tourist spot dito sa Nuvali. On our right side naman, no, the Ayala Mall Soledad 2 and 3, and may additional mall na ginagawa na naman po dito sa Ayala, and ongoing na siya ang construction. This is called Soledad 4 naman. Dito rin located our shopping centers, SNR, and Landers, also our own hospital here in Nuvali, Healthway Qualimed. And the ongoing construction of SM Yulo Premier, another giant na naman, no, na which will cater the affluent market in the south. So additional mall na naman sa atin dito sa Nuvali. So dito pa lang, no, na malalaman natin na there's something big talaga sa area. Bakit nag-i-invest dito ang mga giants? So malaki ang future ng Nuvali, and sa mga residents and investors dito, kasama tayo sa pag-unlad nila ng buong estate. Moving forward, on our left side is the East Block. This is almost 12 hectares in size. This is our pocket business district in Nuvali North, na ang allowed itayo dito are mid-rise buildings lang na pwedeng ipatayo are tertiary school or general hospital or condo or offices. And on our right side naman is the mini version of VGC called North Central Business District. No official size, but if we base po no, sa Nuvali map, almost 5 times of size po siya ng East Block. So great news to residents natin, no, dito sa Nuvali, kasi new opportunities na naman for you and for the kids in the future, and pwede rin po tayong mag-expand ng business dito. I know guys, this is overwhelming, no, the existing establishments and the ongoing developments and the future projects. Knowing this, may assurance talaga tayo na there's really a future in Nuvali, na one of the estates ni Ayala na nag-develop ng Makati, BGC, Ayala Alabang, Cebu IT Park, and other estates in the Philippines, na kahit walang matatamis na mga salita, alam nyo na kung saan papunta ang investments ninyo. So, pero guys, nasa Nuvali North pa lang tayo, papunta pa lang tayo sa Central and to the South. As we go along Nuvali Boulevard, by the way, this is our main road in Nuvali. Pag na-reach ninyo, ito yung ating rotunda, exit lang po tayo sa second exit. Because sa first exit po kasi, ito yung shortcut going to Casile Road, to Canlubang Golf Country Club, and to Tagaytay. So here, sa second exit, as you can see po, no, there's a guard post there. Every exit po, meron po tayo niyan. Ganyan po ka-safe ang Nuvali Estate. And andito na po tayo sa Nuvali Central. Here in the Central, we also have a pocket business district po dito called Central Block. This is 12 hectares in size. Our commercial area naman na as residents dito ang magbe-benefit. Kumbaga, more exclusive na ito, more convenient sa atin na if we only go shopping or mag-groceries, we won't need to go to Ayala Malls na dahil sobrang lapit na sa atin ito. The concept of Central Block is like Alabang Town Center na walkable lang ang mga shops. We also have parks here, alfresco restaurants, and yung current na ginagawa dito are Merrimart and the shops. After Central Block, no, the road on our right side is going to Xavier School, one of the schools here in Nuvali, and going to our condo, Solara Park Stories Nuvali. If you want an investment with passive income soon, this condo is perfect for you. Pwede siya for rentals and Airbnb. I will attach below, no, sa description yung video ng Solara ko naman. And as you can see guys, no, habang binabaybay natin ang Nuvali Boulevard, puro trees lang po yung makikita natin sa both sides. No spaghetti wires, no traffic inside. Ito yung one of the perks or advantages na if resident ka na ng Nuvali dito. Ito yung feeling na para kang nasa ibang bansa. That's why ang daming OFWs din ang nag-invest na dito. Yung feeling na uuwi ka na lang, ka na makipag-gitgitan sa traffic, pwede ka magbukas ng windows while driving kasi fresh ang air, hindi amoy usok, and ang sobrang gaan ng ambience. Well, all of this, no, may experience nyo once na resident na kayo dito sa Nuvali. I will be more than happy to assist you. In addition to that, no, we also have waiting sheds across Nuvali. Sa mga communities po natin, meron po tayong ganyan. Friendly tayo sa mga seniors or persons na either walang car or hindi marunong mag-drive. So we will wait lang po, no, dito for the estate buses na iikot sa buong Nuvali. Pupunta sa malls, business districts, or sa activation areas kung saan nyo po gustong pumunta. As we go along Nuvali Boulevard again, no, papuntang south, on our left side, may mapapansin po kayong malaking entrance just across Montecito. This is Rockwell South. Well, Rockwell is also famous for making beautiful buildings, attractions like the Rockwell Lights in Makati, also the power plant mall there. And you might be wondering, no, bakit may Rockwell inside Nuvali and Ayala Land Estate? Well, si Rockwell isn't part of Nuvali talaga. It's just that their property line is nakadikit along Nuvali Boulevard. And ang kinagandahan nito, no, open ang entrance nila for Nuvali residents. Meron din silang commercial areas dito. For sure, magkakaroon din ng restaurants here, coffee shops, mga needs ng residents, etc. As we go south, no, pansin nyo na papataas na yung main road natin because andito na po tayo sa Nuvali South, kung saan located yung ating communities. And this part of Nuvali is the highest elevated area na. Medyo mahangin na po sa area and more exclusive na po ito to Nuvali residents. If you reach na po, no, in this part guys, in this T road, sa tumbok po na yan, good news to us Nuvali South residents because there is allotted 10-hectare commercial space po dyan na plan ni Ayala to build an alfresco mall. Wow, diba? Alam mo ba yung sobrang lapit and convenient ito sa atin? Hindi na tayo lalayo pa to buy grocery shop, malls, and plus more exclusive na ito to us South residents. And sa top floor nito, no, magkakaroon po tayo ng nice views of Laguna de Bay, Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Ridge, and tanaw ang buong Nuvali. On our left side naman is the 31-hectare open space for recreational use na hinati into 3 segments. The bike trail here in Nuvali, friendly po tayo no, sa bikers na even sa roads natin, may designated space for them. So if you're into biking, this bike trail will be your hangout place. Next is the community. Magkakaroon po tayo dito ng park, dog park, and garden center. And the last one is driving range. This is existing na, no? Na if you're into golf naman, you can practice your swing there. Also, there is a private dining and events place there called the Veranda Sunset. Grabe, no? Ganyan kagalante at kamahal ni Ayala yung sa investors natin. And even more exclusive na yung part na ito, binigyan pa rin tayo ni Ayala dito ng sariling commercial and activation areas. On our right side, dito naman yung one of the schools here in Nuvali, Everest Academy. In a short distance, no, Miriam College naman, also one of the schools here. Crescela Nuvali is our newly launched community po, no? Yung size po ng community to is just 13.5 hectares. Guys, compared sa ating existing community sa Nuvali, almost half in size lang siya. Meaning, maliit lang po yung ating community, konti lang po yung residents dito. And Crescela Nuvali is belong to the estates category. Kumbaga po, meaning nito, premium community po natin siya. In Nuvali, no, we have 3 categories: village, settings, and estates. So dito po siya na-belong sa estates category. And ang kinaganahan po no, ng location ni Crescela Nuvali because this is located na at the highest peak of Nuvali from 199 meters up to 219 meters above sea level. So expect po natin na mahangin na po sa area. And yung kinaganahan po, no, kasi yung lamig ng hangin doon sa Tagaytay, dito po yung bagsak sa atin. The target completion date of this community is on 2028. Guys, kung gusto nyo mag-invest in a pre-selling community, na example, mahaba pa yung payment term, and gusto nyo po is yung matagal pa mag-move in or matagal pa magpatayo ng bahay, this community is the right one for you. In Crescela Nuvali, we offer 2 products, lot only and house and lot package. For house and lot package, no, we have Erin, our 3-bedroom house and lot, and Solea, our 4-bedroom house and lot. But in this video, no, I will feature only yung ating best retirement home. Ito po yung ating Solea. So this is the facade of the house, a modern minimalist design. The floor area of Solea, no, this is 114 square meter, and yung lot ranges from 175 up to 193 square meter po. So this is a 2-story house po natin siya, up and down na po tayo. So tara, lapitan po natin. So as you can see po, no, dito sa front natin, up to 2 cars po yung kasya. Pero if we maximize the space, kasya pa po isang car doon sa likod. In this part of the house naman, may nakaabang na po tayong wire dito. Na example, pwede po natin siyang gawing outlet for your electric vehicle or a regular outlet para saksakan dito sa labas. Tara, I am excited na po, no, to share it with you yung ating Solea model house. Pasukin na po natin. Wow, grabe. I really just can't imagine, no, na makakita ko ng gantong kagandang interior design sa inyong bahay. Sara ko lang po yung door, no? So, pag sara po natin door, as you can see po, na sa side ng door natin, meron po tayong vertical window here. This is called side lights. Kumbaga, yung purpose naman po nito is to add ng natural light para hindi po magmukhang madilim po sa part po na ito. And after entering po ng main door, yung bubungan po sa atin is ito tong foyer. Yung purpose naman po ng foyer, no, tsaka is nice to have a foyer dito para you have a space pa before entering to the living area tsaka dining area. Dito, pwede po tayo maglagay ng sanitation area, like this cabinet or shoe rack or sabitan ng coat, payong, etc. Ang dami po niyang purpose. The deliverable of the house comes with an open plan layout. Ito po yung kinagandaan ng open plan layout, no? Kasi it maximizes the space. Kumbaga, hindi po siya yung typical na bahay na there are walls between the living and dining area. Kumbaga, mas makapag-design ka ng inyong sariling bahay tulad po nito, no? So in this part of the house, no, ideally living area po talaga siya. So dito po natin nilagay yung ating sofas with tables. And in this part naman, dito sa side na to, dito naman po yung ating outlets for the TV, speaker, and even po ng cable na internet. So living area, dito po tayo magbabanding with family, streaming of movies, tsaka if mag-visit po tayo ng ating visitors. And dito po sa ating living area sa side po ito, meron po tayong big window din dito. Na example, if you want ng free flowing of air or additional po ng natural light para mas makatipid po tayo or conserve ng energy. But sa design po natin, no, naglagay po tayo ng high curtain po dito. And as you can see, naka-drop ceiling pa tayo. Ang laking tulong po niya para may tago yung bar kung saan nakasabit po yung ating high curtain. Kumbaga, ang linis po niya tingnan. So, in this side naman, sa ating ground floor, sa living area, pwede po natin itong maglagay ng split type aircon tulad po nito. So, few steps away now from our living area, andito na po tayo sa ating dining area. Grabe, napakaganda ng ating lighting, no? Well, your house, your rules naman. Dito, naglagay tayo ng table and 6 chairs, no? Good for 6 persons. So, yung design natin is naka-design siya for a average size of a family. And dito po, no, meron po tayong sliding door na kumbaga, pwede po natin siyang buksan for additional ventilation and natural light. And lalo na po, no, if you have dogs na labas-pasok po ng bahay. And in this side naman, yung design po ng house natin, naka-zero space wastage din po tayo. Na even sa ilalim ng stairs, ginawa po natin siyang storage or stock room. Na example po, yung mga walis natin, dustpan or mop, na dito na lang po natin itatago para hindi po siya nakakalat sa bahay, wala po tayong eyesore. And in this side, no, naglagay na rin po tayo ng cabinet. Although hindi po siya kasama lang po siya sa design. Para example, yung mga extra utensils natin placed sa dining area, pwedeng dito na rin po natin ilagay. So from our dining area, let's go to the kitchen naman. What comes with the deliverable po, no, ng ating kitchen is this long countertop, pati po yung ating counter cabinets with sink, tsaka yung faucet. Also, meron na rin po tayong horizontal window po dito na kumbaga for additional ventilation and for adding natural light. Since na ito po ay kitchen po natin. Also, yung outlet po natin dito is naka-GCFI na. Dahil nasa kitchen po tayo, syempre yung outlet po natin ay prone mabasa or matalisikan po ng, let's say, mantika kung nag-fry po tayo ng food. So dito, once po na mabasa po siya, yung power supply po natin sa area po ito, mag-automatic shutdown for our safety na rin. So for the improvements po, no, ng kitchen natin, ay naglagay po tayo ng cabinets po dito. Diba, ang ganda po niya, ang haba po ng cabinets para marami po tayong mapaglagyan ng mga extra utensils, ng plates. Also, naglagay din po tayo ng 2-door na refrigerator. Also, with this one, gas cooking range and range hood. So, tara, eto na, labas po tayo sa service entry natin. So, eto po yung service entry natin. This serves also as our fire exit. Example po, if marami po tayong groceries or gustong maglaba, dito na lang po tayo labas-pasok sa service entry. So, tara, labas po tayo. So, paglabas po natin ng service entry, no, baga malawak po yung area natin dito. Pwede pa kayong mag-garden, or nasa inyo naman po yan, pwede nyo rin pong ipa-landscape. And dito po, sa likod natin, dito po located yung ating laundry area. Kasi andito na po yung ating GCFI outlet. Siyempre, laundry area po siya, pero hindi po siya mabasa for our safety na rin. So malawak po yung ano natin, yung likod natin. Pwede nyo pang lagyan ng garden or gawin yung ipa-enclosed or ipa-landscape. Nasa inyo po yun. So tara, balik na po tayo sa loob. So pagpasok natin ng service entry at the front of the kitchen, pasok na tayo sa ating first bedroom. Etong first bedroom na to, this is good or perfect for seniors or for persons na hindi na kayang umakyat ng stairs. Also, pwede rin po siyang maging visitors or guest room. Pwede rin po siyang gawing study room or working area tulad po nito, no? Pero sa design po natin, ay decide parang ito po yung nilagyan ng collections natin. Yeah, as you can see. Then, meron po tayong tables for study or working space. So, ditong side, no, dito po tayo maglalagay ng bed. Pero sa design natin, ito po yung sofa na convertible to bed naman para konting space lang po yung makain natin. So, ditong side, ito po yung ating window. Tsaka po yung ating provision for the window type aircon. So, next to our first bedroom, no, dito sa ground floor, yung ating toilet and bathroom. Tara, pasok po tayo. So yung fixtures po natin dito, may mga naka-built-in na. Like po yung ating basin, toilet, tsaka po yung ating overhead shower. And meron na rin po tayong nakaabang po na provision for water heater. Kumbaga po sa fixtures natin, American Standard brand na, hindi na lang po natin siya, parang hindi lang po siya quality na brand, magandang quality naman. So magdadagdag na lang po tayo ng improvements. Like po dito, naglagay tayo ng huge mirror dito, tsaka po ng glass partition. So after po ng toilet and bathroom po natin dito sa ground floor, no, check naman po natin yung other bedroom sa taas. In this side, no, napakaganda po niyang lagyan ng huge frame ng family picture. Pero isa design po natin is nagdikit po tayo ng 2 crossed paddles. And dito naman, meron po tayo ulit na windows dito for additional light. For our stairs, matibay or magandang quality of wood, pati po yung sa ating handrails. Tara, akit po tayo. So habang paakit tayo ng stairs, no, meron tayo ulit na additional windows dito para pwede po natin siyang buksan. Let's say, if you want ng fresh air or additional lights dito sa side na to or sa part po ito para hindi madilim and to conserve energy na din, lalo na pag sa morning. And before we enter, no, sa ating first bedroom dito sa taas, discuss ko lang po yung ating malaking space po dito. So this is our flex area, no. Sa laki po ng space niya, pwede po siyang lagyan ng table like this one for mini working space or mini study area, or pwede rin siyang lagyan ng couch, no, para to maximize yung space natin dito. And sa ditong sides ng ating hallway, no, naglagay tayo ng cabinet pati ng itong huge frame. So tara, pasok na po natin sa second bedroom. Ang kinagadahan, no, ng room na ito kasi nasa corner po siya. Kumbaga, you will have 2 views, no? And sa lawak ng space po niya, up to queen size of bed, kasyang-kasya po siya. But for this one, no, sa design natin is parang didesign siya for a teenager girl na mahilig sa K-pop. Kasi may mga merch din dito, pati po yung design ng buo po ng ating kwarto. They maximize the space by putting a table po dito and chair for study area po niya, pati po ng cabinet dito. So yun po for our second bedroom dito. Let's go to our third bedroom naman. So let's go to our third bedroom. So ito po yung third bedroom natin. Kumbaga po lahat ng regular rooms natin ay same lang po ng sizes. So kasya po yung up to queen size of bed dito if you maximize the space. Tapos sa design naman po natin ng bahay is for the teenager na lalaki na mahilig sa sports, specifically sa soccer, no? Sa ball po dito, pati po yung sa color ng room natin. So what they did here, naglagay din po ng study area, pati po ng cabinet. So, we have also the windows there. Parang naka-corner style din po siya, yung windows natin. And dito po yung ating provision for window type aircon. So, next to our third bedroom, check naman po natin yung ating second toilet and bathroom dito located sa taas. So, lahat po ng toilet and bathroom natin, same sizes and same po ng design. Kumbaga, yung fixtures natin na built-in, same lang din po, no? We have basin, toilet, and overhead shower. And for the improvements, naglagay din po tayo ng huge mirror po dito, pati ng glass partition. As in, same lang po ito sa baba. So tara, pasukin na po natin itong master's bedroom. Wow, grabe! Ang lawak po, no? At ang ganda ng ginawa nila dito, no? Kasi compared po sa ating master's bedroom in Erin, dun sa 3 bedrooms house and lot natin, although malawak na siya for me, no? Pero iba ang spaciousness ng master's bedroom dito sa Solea. And ang kinagandahan po, no, ng master's bedroom natin dito, kasi meron po tayong sariling toilet and bathroom. Pero hindi ko na po siya masyadong i-discuss kasi lahat ng toilet and bathroom natin, same lang po ng size, even po yung mga fixtures natin. So same lang po, no? This is a perfect room for parents talaga. Sa lawak po ng master's bedroom natin, no, kasya po siya up to king size of bed. Ganun po kalaki. So since na corner room po ito, meron po tayong windows dito, meron din po doon, and meron po tayong balcony po doon. So magkakaroon po tayo ng 3 views po in total. Pero before po tayo pumunta ng balcony, no, let's appreciate po muna kung ano po yung ginawa dito ng interior designer. So even naka queen size of bed po siya, maluwag-luwag pa po yung room natin. And dito naglagay po siya ng cabinet po dito, TV. Even po naglagay din tayo ng 2 mini tables with lampshades sa both sides. And meron din po tayo ditong na armchair, pati po yung footrest po na chair. Also, ang cabinet po dito. As in, wow! So, anyway po, no, sa lawak ng space natin, kumbaga, any design or kung ano po yung maisip nyo, kayang-kaya po. Yun po yung kinagadahan ng spaciousness ng master's bedroom natin. So anyway po, no, punta na po tayo sa balcony. It's really nice to have a balcony talaga, no? And sa lawak pa ng balcony natin, ang sobrang gandang idea is maglagay din po ng chairs dito tsaka mini table. Kumbaga, if you want na gusto mag-coffee or tea while nagsa-sightseeing po sa nature natin. And kung bakit, maganda rin po ito for the parents kasi kitang-kita mo kung ano yung in and out sa bahay po natin. So, that's it for our house tour, no? I do hope guys na nag-enjoy po kayo tsaka natulungan ko po kayo, no, mag-decide na to invest or mag-retire na here in Nuvali. For the prices, details, and the payment terms po natin nitong house, ng Solea Model House, just message me to my Facebook page, The Estate Savvy Property Specialist in Nuvali. Guys, make sure lang po, no, na dito po tayo mag-inquire kasi marami na pong gumagaya sa branding name natin. So ito, sa screen po natin, ito po yung Facebook page ko. Also, you may reach me po, no, to my Viber or WhatsApp at 0917-140-5564. Guys, maliit lang po na community itong si Crescela. So expect po natin, no, na mabilis po masold yung properties dito, including po yung ating Solea Model House. So habang may mga available pa, hoping po na mag-reach po kayo sa akin and makapag-invest na po tayo dito. And just to add lang po, no, na since Crescela Nuvali is our premium community, kumbaga po yung mga naging clients ko na po dito, yung investors, buyers po natin are OFWs, seamen, pilots, businessmen, kumbaga po mga ka-level din po natin. Guys, as I always say, no, kapag nag-invest kayo or nag-buy ng property dito sa Nuvali, parang hindi lang po kayo bumili ng just a property lang. Kumbaga parang binili niyo rin po yung buong master plan ni Ayala dito sa Nuvali. All the conveniences, mall, school, hospital, shopping centers, even po yung ating recreational areas, kumbaga andito na po lahat. And ang kinagadahan po mag-invest dito kay Ayala kasi mabilis po yung ating value appreciation. So, no doubt naman yan kasi tatak Ayala yan. So, if you want to know more, the updates in Nuvali, tsaka kung ano pa yung mga future projects or communities na i-offer ko po dito, please subscribe to my channel and kindly like this video and hit the notification bell. So once again, this is Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy, your property specialist in the South.